guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I do crochet lock wig. It's my first time I'm actually trying it out. This here that I'm showing you is the wig cap that I bought from my local beauty supply store. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. So that's the front, and then also that's the back. So I just took out the cap and then put it on my mannequin head. So right there is the hook I'm going to be using. I also got it from my local beauty supply store. This here is the pin that came with the mannequin head that I bought. So this mannequin head, I bought it from Amazon. So it came with the stand and those pins. So it's my actually first time using it. So right now I'm just using the pin to hold the cap on the mannequin head so that it doesn't move as I crochet the lock into the cap. So this is my used locks. I actually have a video on me installing this this lock in. Oh, sorry about the noise, guys. It's just my my dog making noise in the background there. I just have to go check him to make sure it's okay. Yeah, so yeah, I was saying that I have a video of me installing this crochet lock in my hair, so you can just go and check it out. And yeah, and I'm just gonna start to install this crochet lock into the wave cap. Yeah, so just continue to watch it, and then to see how I'm doing it. It's pretty easy as I actually put the lock into the cap. I find it easy, so the more I do it, the easier it was for me, because it is my first time doing this. Yeah, so but anyway, just continue to watch and let me know what you think. Okay, so guys, I have crocheted the weave cap all the way around the head of the mannequin. So I'm just checking right now to see how much hair do I want to add to it, if I want to add a second roll. So which I am basically going to do. So it's basically the same method, and I'm just gonna leave a little space in between the first row and then the second row. And then yeah, and that's it. So I'm basically doing the same thing, and yeah, just keep watching. Hey guys, see right here, yo man, I don't know what happened. I thought I actually got it, but I struggled a little bit here. As you can see, as I passed the crochet through the what's it called, the cap, it keeps coming out. So I don't know, but I finally got it though. Yep. I am done, guys. Here it is. I am done installing the locks into the cap, the weave cap, guys. Here it is. I finally did it. It's my first time, and it's looking good so far. It's looking good, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the back of the the wig. So right now I'm just putting it into a ponytail to show you guys what it was gonna look like when it's put up in a ponytail, which basically I'm gonna leave it as it is, as in a ponytail, and I'm gonna wear it as a ponytail. And yeah, and then that's it, guys. This is it. This is what it's looking like. Thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate your visit to my channel. If you are new, I thank you. If you are not new, I thank you also. I appreciate all your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. Press the subscribe button and support your sis. Thank you so much in advance for subscribing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, look at this wig, y'all, guys. I love it. I love it. Yes. Can't wait to put it on. Can't wait to wear this wig. Yeah, I'm proud of myself, actually. So I hope you guys try it, though. I hope you guys try it. You can leave a comment if you're gonna try it, and let me know what you think. Yeah. Bye for now, guys.